Good morning. My name is Sophia from Ms. Walsberger's class.
My name is Delaney from Mrs. Walsberger's class.
Please stand and join us as saying the pledge.
Today is Tuesday, December 11, 2012. It is an E-Day on your special schedule. Today's weather prediction is partly cloudy skies. The predicted high temperature is 39 degrees Fahrenheit. The predicted low temperature is 20 degrees Fahrenheit.
Today's hot lunch choices are pizza dippers or French toast with sausage. Now here's Camille to share some highlights from the Ridge.
Drew from Mr. Williams' class is celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, Drew. In music, kindergartners learned about Hanukkah. They learned a song about Hanukkah and pretended to be the candles of a menorah. Here are a few students from Mrs. Marion's class performing the song.
I'm the Shmosh,
and we are the menorah.
What night of Hanukkah is it? One little candle burning bright.
One little candle, it's Hanukkah tonight.
What night of Hanukkah is it? One little candle burning bright.
Two little candles, it's Hanukkah tonight.
What night of Hanukkah is it?
Three little candles burning bright. Three little candles, it's Hanukkah tonight.
And what night of Hanukkah is it now?
Eight little candles burning bright. Eight little candles, it's Hanukkah tonight.
Well done, kindergarten students. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day at the Ridge. I do.